George, come here. We gotta get
a skate deck.
Yeah, skate shop's closed on Sundays, so look where we are. We're not going to Zoomies. We're going to the Vans store.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Let's see it. Shake Junk and Kyle Walker. Harista, what's going on with you?
I'm dying because McDonald's is terrible and I ate too much food.
I got these things.
Fuck.
They're called stick and flick.
That content.
They're the suede pads to cover the holes in your shoes. It's like an alternative to shoe goo. Haristo's back at it again, trying to get cut out the video.
You only cut me out once last time.
Yeah, because I just cut around you.
Yeah, I know, because you got lazy.
So it's basically just suede sticky pads that cover the holes in your shoes, or you can put them on before the holes come, and they make your shoes last longer. So I'm gonna try them out today and see if these jonks really work.
That's hurtful.
Alright, so it kind of feels like a leather ting, kind of thick, THICC thick. I don't have scissors, but I do have this because George has set up his board. So I think like that does it. That should do it. Let's do it. This freaking stuff is actually really thick. I don't think this is gonna work. Go!
Go Power Ranger.
Alright, first impressions, it's not even getting cut by the freaking razor blade.
The razor blade just cuts dirt tape and it's dull.
Oh my god, dude. Should I just slap the whole thing on? Yeah, I'm just gonna slap the whole thing on. Alright, extra protection. Right there. Looks pretty stupid. You should probably cut it with scissors if you try this. Haristo's got the film angles. Let's see how the first kickflip feels. Sexy kickflip. Feels like suede. Got that wear test in there. One kickflip, a little bit of scuffs.
Oh fuck.
Sticking with the kickflip wear test. Gonna do the 2. Gonna do the 2 times, and then gonna do the 4. See how the kickflips feel.
Oh yeah.
Feels pretty good. They feel good. All right, let's keep this going. Gonna go kickflip this 4. Dude,
Am I wrong?
on that first kickflip, I thought I was gonna hit the tail, and the board was gonna come up and shoot me in the face, and I was gonna be on hollow meat for a second. Okay, so I think the purpose of these is for people who don't like shoe goo, because it feels different. So,
No, the purpose
it just kind of feels like a new shoe, like kind of. I like them. Good product so far.
Braille skateboarding right here. I know you're gonna cut it out, but whatever.
You can keep that one in.
D3s look bad, but they're super fucking comfortable.
Look cool.
They look so dumb.
They look retarded.
No, dude, D3s look so dumb.
Yeah, they're so bulky and disgusting.
All right, I'm gonna put a little like thing wherever it goes.
Cool about them is they
You
last
think
like
D3s
years.
look sick? I'll put a little picture.
Hold up, wait.
They look so dumb, dude.
Yeah, they look terrible.
They're not timeless
They
at
look
all.
so stupid.
D3s had their time, and the time is.
Travis Scott who fucking stole them anyways. Like stole the design and made his own fucking shoes.
Did he actually?
Yes.
Bro.
People, the slab was fucking lit up on.
That's tough.
It looks like a moon boot.
Yeah.
No, dude, that's not even the one I think of. I think of the yellow one.
Dude, okay, the yellow one actually looks kind of sick, and the blue one.
What you doing?
First of all, we got some Shake Junk grip right here.
Shake junk.
I really recommend it because it's made me powerful.
All right, what trick you got?
Just kick foot down this bank and then 50 on the hand.
Fuck.
What you got, Risto?
Front slash on this. So I want to I'll start there, front slash that, and then try and front slash this. Go over the hip over there, maybe rock to fakie if I get lucky.
All right. I don't hear it. Holy shit. Are you good?
Yeah. Now I'm fucking scared.
All right, you got the slashes. Come here, come here.
Shit.
All right, final review.
George,
These things.
throw your shit away.
I don't think I read the instructions because it's coming up like that. But it says right here, make sure you cut it and make sure it's on a clean and dry surface. And my shoes were definitely not clean.
Or dry.
But the way they feel is really good and I like them a lot. So good product, definitely worth it.
Ideas? Find out next time.
I think that's about it for this one. We're all pretty beat right now. So hope you enjoy the video. If you like it, leave a like or subscribe or whatever. Peace out, mates.